How to update software on a Mac. To update software on a Mac, you can follow these simple steps. First of all, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen and a drop down menu will appear. From the drop down, select System Settings or System Preferences on macOS Monterey or earlier. Now in System Settings, scroll down and select General option available there. Then choose Software Update. On macOS Monterey or earlier, you can directly select Software Update from the System Preferences window. Now check for updates. Your Mac will check for any available updates. If an update is available, it will appear here. If updates are available, click Update Now to install them. If you want your Mac to automatically download and install updates, then toggle the option Automatically Keep My Mac Up to Date. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.